here we are, we have the reflection, ground control electronic leveling system. The biggest thing with these, your battery power, leveling it. If you want to see, you can zoom in over here. There's lights on the touch panel. As you go through, you can tell that the rear and the right side isn't level right now, so we're going to hit auto level, and it's going to start grounding. This is a 4-point leveling system. It's all electronic. There's no hydraulics on this system. But the one thing is to always check for is make sure your fluids on the hydraulic systems are full. There's a line on one. But as you can see, it's starting to do it automatically comes down in the front first to start calibrating. And then it'll bring the back down and it'll finish doing its leveling left to right and front to back. If they ever do start throwing error codes, there is a controller up front here. There's 4 fuses, 1 for each jack. You can always check for power across the fuses. That's usually the biggest culprit with these, is a fuse will pop. And with the hydraulic, it's the same concept, except there'll be 6 of them because it's usually a 6-point leveling system. Check the fuses. You'll always want to check the fluids again. And then if it ever throws an error code, you hit enter and retract, and it'll enter and retract. It has the same controller. You'll hit enter and retract, and it'll eliminate the trouble code. And if it doesn't, then it's something more persistent. Then you have to bring it in for service because it could be the control board, something wrong with a jack. A jack could be bent. I think this is just about done auto leveling. It should have auto leveled. It's just finishing up now, and you'll get a beep in a second here. Get the beep, so it's a success. So the coach is completely leveled, front to back, side to side. Now, when you're ready to leave, some people with the touch panel, you can go through and just hit retract all, and that's after you get it hooked up to your trailer, and it'll retract all the jacks. Or you can just go into manual mode. You can hit retract and just retract rear. There's many different ways you can do it. No questions? I wish there was questions. It's a pretty user-friendly system. If there's ever issues, the touch panel is your biggest friend. And as long as you do the manual retract, that's the biggest thing. It's the manual and the retract button, or the enter and the retract button, I'm sorry. And that'll clear your trouble codes and hopefully get you on your way. But it's basically just a little computer that tells you if something's going wrong, it tells you which component it is, where, and then so we can diagnose it, we can try and help you over the phone. If you have issues, you can call in. Thank you for tuning in. And have a great day.